Now joining us online, Martín Zoezaya from startup I2U, and Jose Antonio, corporate partner, ArcelorMittal. Egunon, Martín.
Egunon, Jack. Okay, so in I2U, we automate warehouses in the steel sector for bulk elements such as steel coils, billets, or blooms. This is a sector where all the production is automated except for the logistic area that entails more complicated processes. The man we've got in the image, John, he's in charge of the warehouse, and he usually has to control the placement of each coil manually. Therefore, he loses time looking for the coils. To solve this problem, John hires more workers, but the management becomes expensive. Moreover, John is worried since accidents might happen. So definitely logistic processes are not fully optimized, and they have to respond to the high peaks of demand of the industry. So logistic companies oversize 3 times the space required, the number of workers, and the machinery used. And of course, this is expensive. So in I2U, what we do is we transform the traditional warehouses into 100% autonomous ones. First of all, we automate the monitorization of the warehouse in order to take control of all the variables involved. After that, we connect with the client's ERP, and we are capable of automating the decision-making process. And lastly, we automate the movement of the crane, reaching to a completely autonomous warehouse. Our solution is unique because apart from optimizing the management of the warehouse, we're capable of loading and unloading the trucks or trains wherever they are parked. And the main impact of our solution is that we generate for a client with an average warehouse of 2 cranes an annual savings of more than €500,000 in direct costs, and the ROI is 1 year. Apart from that, we also increase the productivity, the energy savings, and the job security, which is a really big issue for these companies. So currently, we're finishing installation at ArcelorMittal, a project that has allowed us to grow a big deal as a company, since we understood the real needs demanded by a client of the magnitude of ArcelorMittal, the world's largest steel producer. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. So ArcelorMittal is the world's leading steel and mining company. So in Olavarría, Vergara, we produce long products, sections and merchant bars, and we ship them all over the world, mainly through Pasajes, where we generate more than half of its operations. So we compete on a global scale because it's critical to us, and we need to do more with less on a safe and sustainable basis. In this context, innovation and digital transformation are key success factors to our competitiveness. In this case, thanks to Bind, we are running a project to turn our billet yard crane autonomous, fully autonomous. So it covers both discharging the cooling bed as well as loading trucks. Everything is ready. It will be installed now in July, and results will be visible by September. The project is scalable. We have opportunities to roll out in Olavarría, Vergara, as well as in other sites in our group. And we hope this is the first step in a long partnership with I2U. Thank you.
And thank you, Martín, Juanjo. Gracias.